Every organ in your body is built from just four major tissue types. These tissues work together to create complex structures and carry out essential functions. Understanding tissues is one of the foundations of anatomy and physiology. In this lesson, we will explore epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissues. Each type has unique structures and specialized functions. By the end, you'll understand how tissues build the human body. A tissue is a group of similar cells working together to perform a specific function. Cells with similar structures often have similar jobs. Tissues combine to form organs such as the heart, lungs, and skin. Multiple organs work together within organ systems. The study of tissues is called histology. Understanding tissues helps explain how the body functions. The human body contains four major tissue types. Epithelial tissue covers surfaces and lines organs. Connective tissue supports and connects body structures. Muscle tissue produces movement. Nervous tissue controls communication within the body. Nearly every organ contains multiple tissue types working together. Each tissue has unique cells and functions. Epithelial tissue covers both internal and external body surfaces. It forms the outer layer of the skin and lines many organs. This tissue acts as a protective barrier. Some epithelial cells absorb nutrients, while others secrete substances such as hormones or mucus. Epithelial cells are tightly packed together. This arrangement helps protect the body and control what enters or leaves tissues. Epithelial tissues are classified according to shape and number of cell layers. Squamous cells are flat and thin. Cuboidal cells are cube-shaped. Columnar cells are taller than they are wide. Simple epithelia contain one layer of cells. Stratified epithelia contain multiple layers for protection. Different epithelial tissues perform different functions throughout the body. Connective tissue supports and connects other tissues. It is the most abundant tissue in the body. Unlike epithelial tissue, connective tissue contains large amounts of extracellular material called the matrix. This matrix may be solid, liquid, or flexible. Bone provides support, blood transports substances, and fat stores energy. Connective tissues perform many vital functions. Muscle tissue is responsible for movement. Its cells can shorten or contract. Skeletal muscle moves bones and produces voluntary movements. Cardiac muscle forms the heart and contracts automatically. Smooth muscle is found in organs and blood vessels. Muscle contractions also maintain body temperature. These tissues allow movement both inside and outside the body. Skeletal muscle attaches to bones and allows conscious movement. Cardiac muscle makes up the heart. Smooth muscle is found in organs such as the stomach and the intestines. Skeletal muscle is under voluntary control. Cardiac and smooth muscles function automatically. Each type is adapted to its specific role. Nervous tissue allows communication throughout the body. Its specialized cells transmit electrical signals. Neurons carry information rapidly over long distances. Supporting cells, called glia, protect and nourish neurons. Nervous tissue coordinates movement, sensation, and thinking. It is essential for maintaining homeostasis. Most organs contain all four tissue types. The stomach provides an excellent example. Epithelial tissue lines the inside of the stomach. Connective tissue supports and binds the layers. Muscle tissue produces contractions that mix food. Nervous tissue regulates digestion and movement. Working together, these tissues allow organs to function efficiently. Different tissues heal at different rates. Epithelial tissue often repairs quickly. Connective tissues, such as bone, can regenerate efficiently. Muscle tissue repairs more slowly. Nervous tissue has limited regenerative ability. Understanding tissue repair helps explain injury, recovery, and medical treatments. The four tissue types form the foundation of the human body. Epithelial tissue protects and lines surfaces. Connective tissue supports and connects structures. Muscle tissue produces movement. Nervous tissue coordinates communication. Together, these tissues form every organ and organ system. Understanding tissues helps us understand human anatomy and physiology. With this knowledge, you should be in good shape to understand well the different kinds of tissues that form animal systems. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.